Hey guys, I hope you are fine and doing well. It's Wednesday and I'm going to show you 5 different methods of blending a graphite pencil. And I'll mention the pros and cons of each method in this video. So after watching this video, let me know in the comments which one you are currently using and which one you like the most.
First of all, we have this synthetic watercolor brush and the manufacturing company is Bemisia. I have these 5 different sizes of these brushes and I use all of them in my hyper realistic drawings. Secondly, we have this paper stump of size 4 and is manufactured in a local company in Pakistan. I also have 6 different sizes of these stumps. Third tool for blending is a cotton bud, also known as Q-tip. I also use cotton bud as a tool for blending. Fourth one is an ordinary pocket tissue and I mostly use them in backgrounds of my artworks. Now the fifth one is my own hand. You must be thinking that I'm joking, but actually I'm a self-taught artist, and when I started drawing a few years ago, I was unaware of these tools, so I used my finger for blending for about 3 to 4 months. So I think it's a better alternative for all the other tools. Anyways, let's compare all these tools by blending some shades. I'll be using this B pencil for shading. Let's add 5 consecutive shades for each tool. First of all, I'm going to blend with a brush. Now blending with a paper stump. Now blending this one with a cotton bud. Now using the tissue paper. And the final one, which is blending with a fingertip. Now as we have all these 5 results in one place, I think these 3 tools are better than the others. We got this super smooth result from tissue paper and also from brush and finger. And we got this texture result from blending stump and also from this Q-tip. Anyways, I hope you got an idea of each tool and you can use whatever you want. Let me know in the comment which one you are currently using, and if you are new to my channel, I would love to have you subscribe because I upload new content every Wednesday and Saturday. So thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.